Elastic cord Earloop sewing strap string cord 1/8 inch wide elastic rope stretch flat string ear tie rope for crafting hanging, for sewing, 55 yard. Premium material, diameter 1/8 inch, 3 mm, length 50 yard. This elastic strap is made of safety non-toxic and skin-friendly material. Elastic round. Excellent elasticity. This safety soft white elastic bands within the allowable stretch elastic deformation range can be easily restored to the original length without deformation. White application, widely used for tents, beach umbrellas, handbags, luggage, sports equipment, and tarpaulins for trucks.Ideal for sewing, handicrafts and handmade. Easy to cut, this safety soft white cord is elastic Earloop material. You can make it at home and cut the length as needed. Fast delivered, your order will be delivered in 3 to 5 business days. If you have any questions, please contact us, we will reply you in 12 hours. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.